You know, this type of niche is going absolutely viral nowadays. Many people are jumping into this trend, creating these types of videos and earning thousands of dollars every single month. Not just once a year, but month after month. The opportunity is huge right now, and today I am going to tell you exactly how you can start creating these types of stunning videos without putting in much effort at all. I know a lot of people out there will try to tell you that it's difficult, that it takes a lot of time, skill, or experience. But trust me, it's not difficult, man. It's actually very easy if you know the right steps. In fact, it's so simple that even if you are a complete beginner with no experience, you can still do it without any problem. You can create the maximum number of videos by spending just half an hour a day. Yes, only 30 minutes. And you'll be able to produce high-quality, professional-looking content ready to upload and share with the world. No need to spend hours and hours editing or filming. Just a few easy steps and you're good to go. Now come into the chat, and we all know that without ChatGPT, it is almost impossible to create any type of video easily. I simply paste the prompt that I have already provided in the description, and then I just press Enter. Within seconds, I receive a highly detailed and professional video concept. ChatGPT helps me generate creative ideas, cinematic scenes, and realistic visual descriptions. It allows me to design modern houses, luxury villas, and construction visuals with precision. I can control every detail, including camera angles, lighting, environment, and materials. This process saves a huge amount of time and reduces manual effort. Instead of thinking for hours, I can create professional results in minutes. I can easily modify the prompts to match different styles and requirements. From script writing to cinematic visualization, everything becomes smooth and automated. AI-powered prompts help me produce high-quality, realistic, and cinematic videos. Even beginners can create professional-level videos without advanced technical skills. This method improves creativity, productivity, and workflow efficiency. Now, let's move to the next step. Come to a website called Tomov AI. And trust me, this website is absolutely amazing. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Is this paid? No. I promised you something, and I'm keeping that promise. We are making this video completely free, so don't worry at all. This platform gives you powerful tools to generate videos, create images, animate characters, and access many other creative options, all in one place. And the best part? You don't need advanced skills. You don't need experience. And you definitely don't need money. Everything here is simple, beginner-friendly, and perfect for people who are just starting out. We'll use this website step by step, slowly, so everyone can follow along. So relax, just watch carefully. And let's turn your idea into a real animated video for free. Now, just go to the login page, and here's the best part. You don't even need a Gmail account. Simply click on Create New, use a temporary email, enter it, receive the verification code from the temp email, paste the code, and boom, you're in. And guess what? They give you 80 free credits right away. Yes, 80 credits. That's enough to create 4 full videos. 1 email, 4 videos. And if you want more, you can repeat the same process again with another temp email and get more credits. Simple, smart, free. First, I tried the image option. I went to the image section, pasted my prompt, selected the size, chose the quality, and the result? Honestly, amazing. It looked almost exactly like the channel I showed you at the beginning, so I tried another one, and again. The result was perfect. Same style, same vibe, same quality. This is where things get really interesting. Now, come to the video section. This part is very important. Here, you'll see 2 options: text to video and image to video. I chose image to video. I simply uploaded the image, pasted the prompt, and clicked Generate. And within 1 minute, yes, even on the free version, The AI created an amazing animated video. The style, the colors, the visuals, everything followed the prompt perfectly. No professional setup, no complex settings, no editing skills. Everything was already done for me, so I tried another prompt. This time, I also enabled sound effects, which only cost 10 extra credits. And the result? Honestly, it looked better than Veo 3 and Sora AI. Just watch this result carefully. Oh my God, what a result. And if you're still worried, don't be. I'm here. Just to prove this is real, I logged out of the account. Then I created a new account using a temp email again. And guess what? Boom, 80 credits again. So no, I'm not lying. This is not fake. People just don't understand how to use it properly. Please watch the video till the end. If you do, you'll fully understand exactly what I'm doing and how you can do it too. Just one important thing to understand. Free AI tools do not mean unlimited forever. Every platform needs to earn money to survive. But the smart way to use these tools is not by risking your personal email. You can simply use temporary emails, test the platform, learn the workflow, and create content without stress. So enjoy the process, learn the skills, and use the tools wisely. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more videos like this. I'll keep sharing free tools, honest methods, and real strategies to help you grow. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.